So I needed a thermometer to measure the turkey for Thanksgiving, and I just grabbed a cheap, fairly instant read thermometer off Amazon. This is the Topelek. Topelek? I don't know. It was under 20 bucks, and it was a 5 second thermometer that I needed to make sure my turkey was cooked. It's kind of neat. It's a flip open probe. The back has a quite strong magnet on it, so I can obviously I wouldn't leave that sharp needle sticking out, but I can put it anywhere. You can put it on your fridge, or I put mine on my range hood on the side. And it is quite fast read thermometer. So I've got my Nova. It says it's 75. That's a very precision, well, it's a precision cooker. And I'm going to put it in the water. And within 5 seconds, it concurs 74.3. So it's within a Fahrenheit, which is within its tolerance. It says it's plus or minus 1 Fahrenheit. And just to prove that, I also have a laser thermometer, and it says it is, this one takes a little longer, 75.6, so again within 1 degree Fahrenheit, which is all I could ever ask for it. For the cheapest probe that I could find, it allowed me to make my turkey dinner, and I'm very happy with this purchase.